Hi, I'm Mrs. Yuschek, and I'm here at Medina County Career Center. We have some exciting opportunities coming up that I want to share with all Medina County sophomores. We are welcoming you and one parent or guardian to our open house events to visit our campus, see our career major spaces, and meet our instructors. We are breaking these events out into 4 nights: Wednesday, March 17th, Thursday, March 18th, Wednesday, March 24th, and Thursday, March 25th. Guests are welcome to visit in person from 6 to 7:15 p.m. each night. A virtual option will be available from 7:30 to 8 p.m. each night. Feel free to join us for one of the nights or all of the nights. An RSVP is not necessary. In the meantime, if you can't wait, check out our website. Each of our 26 career major pages offers virtual tours, an opportunity to meet the teacher and a student, as well as a sneak peek of some specific projects and activities offered throughout the 2-year high school program. To do this, visit www.mcjvs.edu. Click on Career Majors and simply go through all of the different options available on our campus. If you're ready to apply now, don't delay. Space is limited and our application process is simple. Again, visit our website, click Apply Online, complete the high school application, and submit it. Our priority enrollment period is now through March 25th. We hope to see you soon and look forward to receiving your application.